Hello, this is Murray from Second Time Tech, and today we're going to be talking about microphones. Specifically, this microphone here, which is a new purchase of mine, and it is a Neewer brand microphone, and the model number is NW-1500. The model that I have over here, and the one that you're listening to right now, is a Neewer brand also, and it is the NW-7000. Now, the price on this one on Amazon Canada is $29.99, and I think I've told you before that this model here, the NW-7000, the price on it is $50.99. Now, with both of these kits, I had to buy different cables, and I'll show you why in a second. What comes in this kit here is what you're seeing right here. It is a shock mount, which isn't very good. It's okay, but it's not as good as this one. And it comes with the stand, and it comes, of course, with the microphone, and it comes with the pop filter. And then inside the microphone, there's a little bit of foam in there that acts like as a wind sock. Now, the stand itself is quite good because it is weighted, and so it holds it quite nice and firm. And this right here is adjustable. It can go up to about yay high, and it holds it there fine. It doesn't slip down or anything like that. The thing that I got with it was it came with a cable, and the cable is, well, because this is an XLR microphone, it came with an XLR microphone cable, female, one end, goes into the mic. And then at this end came with a mini stereo plug. Well, that's not good for me because I have a mixer that needs a XLR input. Now, this only connects to certain things, and they only have 5 volts of phantom power if you're lucky. So chances are it's not going to do that well for you. So the better thing to do is to get something with phantom, like 48 volts phantom power, and has XLR, because XLR is your balanced line, so you're going to get less noise and less interference on this, so it is much better to stick with this. This cable is an Amazon basic cable. It cost me $7.99 and it's 6 feet long. In my show notes, I will be putting links to these products at Amazon and, well, Canada, and I'll also be putting them there for Amazon US. Right now, what I'm going to do is I am going to connect this into my mixer and then switch over to this mic so that you'll be able to hear what it sounds like. Just one second, please. There. Now you are listening to this microphone over here, which is the NW-1500. It doesn't sound too bad. I thought there might have been a bit more noise because whenever I did the adjustment on the channel, I found that I had to use the preamp gain a little higher than I did for the NW-7000. So I figured that would introduce more noise, but I don't think it really does. I will clean up the noise with Audacity. Then I will adjust the gain just to make sure that it is high enough so that it is the same volume level as other YouTube videos. Now, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch back to this one, and then you'll be able to have another chance of checking out the difference between the two microphones. There. Now it is back on the NW-7000 microphone. Well, I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, just put them down in the comment section below, and I will answer them as best as I can. If you like this video, please hit the like, and if you like the type of videos that I'm doing, please subscribe, and then you'll get a notification whenever I update new videos. And one thing that I would like to do is to wish everybody a wonderful day. Thank you very much for watching and listening. Bye.